my name is Jacob Hensley. I'm in collision repair. I picked collision repair because my family's been with cars for pretty much all their life, and so I got introduced to it at a very young age, and I'm very interested in learning more about cars. I knew how to fix cars mechanically, so I wanted to learn how to fix them on the outside and paint them and everything like that. My experience here has been pretty good. I've learned a lot, learned how to use filler, learned how to paint, weld, very briefly about how to pull frames and where to hook up to. I think that'll help me in the future with with jobs I get, because you have to learn how to mask, how to paint, how to use filler, and that's a good base foundation for that kind of stuff.